What up, everybody? We have a case 644 that is completely and utterly destroyed beyond belief. I have no idea what happened to it. Nothing on it works. We might replace the engine, we might rebuild the engine. Definitely got to rebuild the hydraulic system, all new pipes and whatnot. But that is for future videos. Today is just getting it all cleaned up, getting it prepped and seeing what is really broken on this and what's not broken on it. And I honestly think everything on this thing is broken. So we're gonna start taking it apart. That's bad. Yeah, this is a bitch. Got it. Bitch. That's gonna be annoying. Gonna have to get new bolts for this one for sure. Oh yeah, definitely new bolts. Whatever. That's nasty as fuck. Got it. There we go. Weird position. So the piston's at top center. Don't matter which way you go when there's no compression. See, going higher. Yep. And there's almost no resistance. Good or bad? Good. Hang on a second. So right now is a spark test. Basically, we're about to see how fucked the electrical is. I mean, it's already fucked, but What you do is take the plug, go down the side, and you're looking for a spark.
Oh, yeah.
That should be good. Perfect.
Surprised that weld is actually holding.
I know how to weld now. I've practiced. But all the changes hold it up a bit. But this hook, that's still warm. But generally, you want a better hook, but make do with what you got, you know? So there's the case for 4 so far. We have diagnosed the problem as possibly the wiring, got a new battery in place, tested the starter. It has compression, and we do have a compression kit coming in tomorrow. We also have the snake camera thing to check out the inside of that engine as well. Maybe it's the generator or the wiring rat nest down here that we got to configure. That's the hydraulic filter, gas tank, seat that's not there yet. My breaker bar is the steering wheel right now because temporarily the steering wheel is off from how I got it. So that stays down there for right now. But that's this guy. We cleaned it today. We checked it out some stuff, did some small diagnostics. It does leak like a crazy motherfucker. Out of this exhaust right here, it pumps out all of the oil that we put up here in that little hole right there that you guys can't really see. Did weld on a hook. I like having hooks on my bucket. The backhoe that I got has a hook on it too. It's very good for lifting things and whatnot. I will replace that in the future. That's just a temporary hold right now for the bucket because no hydraulics. One thing I did notice on this guy, this is super bent. Should not look like that. It should just be a tube and not an L bracket. Oh my God, it's bad. Oh wow, that's a big hole. I didn't realize that until right now. Look at that. That's so dry rotted. Ew. That's all right, gotta get new tubes anyways. The tires, they're dry rotted to all oblivion. Obviously, if you guys can tell, every little spot there. So I might just have these ones foam filled or just get like an air inner tube. These guys right here, I can't do that unfortunately. It is too messed up. But yeah, that is just the cleaning and part 1 of diagnostics. Has no tires, it looks pretty neat. But yeah, that's the case 44. Thanks for watching.